Hi everyone, welcome back, I am playing around with these pressed flowers. So another thing I wanted to try is I have these, they're like bottle caps, and I have these little sticky little things that you can put inside the bottle cap. And so I thought I would try putting some dried flowers on there and then put them in there and then poke a little hole, and that way could add them into my journals. So I have several different colors here. I have yellow and blue and white and red and purple. I have pink and green. And I got these a while ago. If I can find a link, I will definitely link it down below. I also have black and this dark green. And I think that is all of the colors. Looks like this one here. Oh, and then there's plain silver. Okay. So I'm going to look at the flowers and see how they might look, what background, and which ones will fit. I'm probably going to have to go with smaller flowers. So I'll have to open up a different the pink. Let's try it in the white. There it is in the white. That's nice. And I think these are all going to be too big. Yeah. So these will be too big. Let me see what other color pack I might play around with. Looks like there's some little ones. Looks like there's some little ones in here. Yeah, let's try this pack. Seems like there's some small ones in there. I hope everyone is doing well. I am doing pretty good. So this is how they come packed. And they have a little, I think, moisture desiccant pack there to help keep the moisture out, which is nice. I'm going to move these out of the way. See what color. Maybe I'll do it in the blue. Oh, the green's nice too. And then we have this one here. That looks nice. Oh, I like that in the yellow. I'm not too good with these little clippers here, tweezers. So those are some options. sure how much I like that in the blue. I might actually like it better, oops, in the green. I think this one's too big. It just barely fits. So I might try that in the white. Okay, let me give these a try. So what I want to try to do is, I'm going to try to start with an easy one here. So this is the back, that's the front. So I'm going to put it down this way. Push it down. And then it shows up in here. And then I just want to make sure I like the green. Oh, it might pop more with the yellow. Maybe I'll try the yellow. And you just pop it down in there. It's so easy. All right, let me try a couple more. Let's see if I can get this out of here. And again, I think that's the back, pretty sure. Let me get one that looks a little clear-ish. And I'm just gonna set it down in the middle as best I can. Ah, shoot. Tore that one a little bit, but that's okay. You can't even tell. And then I'm just gonna set that down in there. How fun are these? Do the rest of these here. Again, you want to put it upside down. And these are sticky, so they already have the sticky on them. And then you just set it down in there. If you want to add a little more glue, if you think it needs some glue to stick, you can do that, especially with the ones that maybe have a little more thickness to them. You might need to put some glue on them. And I want to trim, there's a little stem on here that I think is gonna make it too long, so I just trim that stem off. That's the right side. Press that down. Oh, these are so cool. So cool. All right, let me do one more. And I think this one is gonna need a little extra glue, possibly. To stick in here. I'm just going to use a little reptile glue. I think that'll work, and it'll dry clear. I like it with the yellow. It looks cute on the pink too, though. So I really like these. Let me know what you all think about these. I'm having a lot of fun. I am going to try with my Big Bite, my Crop-A-Dile, to poke a hole in one of these. I'm going to try to poke a hole in a plain one first. And I'm going to do the smaller hole, the 1/8 inch, and see if it works. Ah, sweet. Okay. So I poked a hole. Now I want to see if I can do it with this little sticky thing in there. Sorry about that shaking. Okay. Look at that. And so then I can get a little bulb pin and put that through there. I think it should work. Let me try it. Let me get one. All right, let's see if I can get a bulb pin on here. Is that gonna work? It is. Oh my gosh, you all. Look how cute these are. And then you can put it on a journal. Here, I'll try. This one off. You can also put it on the spine dangle as well. And then have it hang off your journal. How fun is that? There we go. That's so cool. Well, this is just another way to use your pressed flowers. So I thought I'd share that with you all. So I am gonna poke holes on these off camera so I don't shake the camera too bad, and then I'll be back and I'll show you the rest of them. I got the rest of the holes punched out, and then I remembered I had these colorful bulb pins. I thought those would be fun. So here's the white one with the pink, and here's the blue flower, and here's kind of that green teal, and then here's the daisy with the white, and then the daisy with the yellow. So let me know which one's your favorite. So you'll need little flowers to be able to work. The bigger flowers won't really fit, but that's easy to find. All right, well, I hope you all give this a try, and I'll link down below the materials if I can, if they still sell them. And thank you all so much for watching. I'm having fun with these pressed flowers. All right, have a good day. Bye.